Welcome back, guys. For those of us having problem with one server, I think we are going to show you an alternative to that one server, which is XAMPP. So if you want to download XAMPP, just go to google.com. Just go to google.com, type XAMPP, XAMPP download, then click on this first link, apachefriend.org. You can download the latest version of PHP, which is 8.1.2. So I think this is a good idea. Just click on download. So it is downloading on my system now. So now this is the file. This is the XAMPP file. Let's install it now. Let's double click on yes. Next, 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 next. Next. Good. So just click on finish. Now, after that, we are going to launch XAMPP. Now, just go to your search file and search for XAMPP. If you see this, just click on XAMPP like this. Then click on Start Apache and Start MySQL. After that, go back to your browser, open a new tab, just type localhost and click enter. As you can see, here is our XAMPP. Here's our XAMPP. Here's our XAMPP. Now, if you want to, after this thing, now you are going to follow the previous process, the previous process on one. Just go to phpMyAdmin. Go to phpMyAdmin. Click on database. Create new database. Create your database and click on create. As you can see, they have the same PHP interface. Now they have the same database interface rather. Now after that, go to your file, go to your local disk C. As you can see, here is our one, while this one is our XAMPP. Click on XAMPP, go to httdocs, and now your WordPress folder. Oh, sorry. Click on this. Here is the WordPress we downloaded that time. So just copy this folder. Click on copy. Go to your C file, your XAMPP, httdoc, then paste your WordPress folder inside this file. Now after that, rename this WordPress. Just rename it as your project name. Let's say Jigsaw 2. So here is it. This is Jigsaw 2. Now let's go back to our browser. Now we've created our database, which is Jigsaw. Now open a new tab. Just type localhost slash d our this thing Jigsaw 2 and press enter. This Jigsaw 2 is our project name, which is Jigsaw 2. Oh, sorry, let me disconnect the internet connection. Now let's choose English. Now continue. Let's go. What's our database name? Jigsaw. Username, root by default, password, no password. Now click on submit. After that, run installation. What's the Jigsaw username? Let's say admin. Password, let's say pass. Confirm weak password. Email, let's do jigsaw@gmail.com. Then click on install WordPress. Good. Now click on admin. Our username admin, then our password pass. Then let's click on login now. As you can see, so that is that about that. That is another method we can use to install WordPress on our system using XAMPP instead of WAMP. So you can both make use of those two softwares.